สวัสดีครับผมนายธาริศรีหามาตรรหัสนักศึกษา67200-123ครับวันนี้ผมจะมานำเสนอใน EP ที่5นะครับถ้าพร้อมแล้วก็เชิญรับชมรับฟังได้เลยครับ
And let me draw a
อันดับแรก
plan
เกิด
for
ฟัน
exhaust manifold. So I choose here.
จากนั้นนะครับใช้
First, let me define
เซนเตอร์ไลท์ที่
press escape.
ซิงเตอร์ไลท์
Exit. Now select the origin point and select this line and make relation. So I'll choose here. First, let me define center line.
ซิงเตอร์ไลท์
Press escape.
ผมเองซิงใช้ซิงเตอร์ไลท์
Exit. Now select the origin point and select this line and make relation. Again, let me
ทูเส้น
go inside so that
Hey,
it will
say-
pass through origin point. Let me define this one. Let's keep the angle 30
ใช้มิดพอยต์จากนั้นใช้
and
smart dimension
let me define the length also
38
130 millimeter. And one more relation we need to define. Choose origin
ตา
point
เร็วตาละล่ะ
and this line and make relation midpoint. That's it. Choose your
130
circle and draw 3 circles, one midpoint and one more relation we need to define. Choose origin point, shift and this line and make relation midpoint. That's it.
กด ESC ออก
Choose your
กด
circle
เส้นนี้กด mid point
and draw 3 circles, one midpoint and one at the end. And I'll define this one. I'll connect
ใช้ circle
the same I'll do for this.
ต่อไปใช้ line
X. Now let's define this one. So select these two outer angle, outer circle and make relation equal. Okay. Now let's define the outer dimension. Keep diameter 30 millimeter. Okay. And this center one we will define
30
to 100 millimeter.
โอเคจุดนี้100 kilometer
Okay. Now select here line circle and make relation tangent. Here also let's do the same thing tangent. Now see the line is fully defined. If you choose dimension and let's check see radius, entity and here choose power tree and just press left key. Now see
เป็นจุดตลอดเริ่ม
find. Now again select OK and choose smart dimension and check the radius 15 millimeter and radius 50 millimeter. Okay. Now go to feature and select extruded boss face. Cancel it Again, take the position. Now see here, one line is forget to trim entity, power trim, and trim this area also. Just cross connect here also. Now that's enough. Okay. Now again go to feature and select extruded boss base. Now you can see the solid body here. Make thickness only 8 mm. Okay, that's it. Now let's define some material so that
ให้ถูกขึ้นมา
thickness only 8 mm. Okay,
แอดมิน
that's it. Now now you can see the solid body here. Make thickness only 8 mm. Okay, that's it. Now let's define some material so that polished steel or nickel. Polished nickel. I'll choose to make a polished nickel. Undo. We will define later because it seems dark. So select this face nickel. Undo. We will define later because it seems dark. So select this face. Sketch normal. Now here we will make some hole. One dark. So select this face. Sketch normal. Now here we will make some hole.
วงกลมป้าย
One.
เราจะเจาะรู
Find out origin point.
กดที่จุดนี้
And
แล้
the
วก็
same
เป็น
here.
เส้นวงจุดนี้คือจุดนี้ก็เหมือนกัน
Right click select. Now select both these small
ต่อไป
circles
เป็นสมาร์ทเทนชั่นเป็นหมด
and
แล้ว
make relation equal. Okay. It's time to define. Keep diameters 16 millimeter and this one 68 millimeter. Go to feature and select
จุดนี้
extruder. Now see. Now select here either keep blind and take the 8 millimeter or better.
วงนี้วงนี้เท่ากัน
Okay.
ใช้ควาย
See.
โอเคแล้วนี้ถู
And
กครับ
choose again this surface sketch normal and I draw one
โอเค
horizontal
Oh.
line.
Okay.
Exit. Now select the center line and make relation horizontal. It should be horizontal because this is the reference because we need to create multiple number of patterns. Exit. Now and choose again this surface sketch normal and I draw one horizontal
ไปสร้างสเก็ต
line.
สร้างเซนเตอร์ไลน์
Exit. Now select the center line and make relation horizontal. It should be horizontal because this is a reference because we need to create multiple number of patterns. I'll show you how. Just exit. Now this
เราใช้
the
ส
exit
เก็ต
from this sketch and go to linear pattern.
ใช้ลีเนียร์แพทเทอร์
Now select this line. See this line selected.
อ๋อเลือกเส้นนี้
Define choose spacing distances and distance
นี่คือระยะห่าง
define 120 millimeter.
100มิลลิเม
Here
ตร
select feature and faces. Select this
จำนว
one.
น3
Now select number of
จุดนี้ใน4
instances 4. But C is going reverse direction, so just select the reverse. Now see it should go this way. So just select the reverse.
รีเวิร์ส
Now see it should go this way. Okay.
โอเค
Confirm one thing. Okay. Actually, a new feature directly choose body.
อ๋อจุดนี้ใช้แค่ใครก่อนจุดนี้ใช้บอดี้ไม่ใช่ฟีเจอร์นะใช้บอดี้
Okay. The direction should be this side. Okay. Now that's fine. See,
ฟีเจอร์ครับ
choose isometric. See, this is our isometric. Now we need to create our fifth flange. So first of all, we need to create a plane. So So let me choose from plane, and I'll take the difference 171 millimeter. Choose your flip offset. You want downward direction? Okay. Now select this
170
plane, sketch, normal. Now here when we create a one, choose set plane, sketch, normal. Now here when we create a one, choose
Center
center
line.
line and connect this end to this end. Right. We create a one, choose center line and connect this end to this end. Exit, choose center line, draw one big line, make sure it is vertical line. Exit. Even let's this plane, right click and hide. Choose your polygon and make number of parameters 3
parameter 3
and let me define
and let me define
exit.
exit.
Select this line, make sure it is horizontal. Select for construction purpose.
เส้นนี้โอเคเลือก
Select all the
foundation
lines for construction purpose only. It's horizontal. And let me define the distance from here to here.
เส้นนี้เป็น
115 millimeters.
horizontal โอเค
And let
แล้ว
me
ก็ระยะ
choose one
115
sorry, this one actually 105. Okay, this is our exact output.
25
Now choose circle, define one,
one circle
2,
one
the
two
same 6
One,
circle
two.
and one circle in red.
one two one two
Now select
one
all
two
outer circles and make
One, two.
relation. Keep your relation equal. Now select inside
two two
equal. Okay. Now let's find this one.
equal
Outer 30 millimeter and inner 16 millimeter. And this outer one inside inner one 68 millimeter.
130
According to flange. Okay, choose your line.
190
Connect with this one.
โอเค
Again, choose one line.
เส้นนี้68
Connect to this one. Exit. Smart dimension and let me define distance from here to this point.
สมมติใช้เส้นลาย ใช้เส้นนั้นแล้ว
This distance is important. Distance and this one we will keep 120 millimeter. Now see our geometry is fully defined. See,
120
we took all the dimensions. Now let's extrude.
ใช้ extrude
Select extrude. Select this one, this circles. Inside one, uncheck. Oh, too many regions selected. Select one by one. This one, this one. Here also select inside one. Leave this central holes and make distance 8 millimeter for small result. Okay. Now see. Now it's time to create the path for distance 8 millimeter for small result. Okay. Now see. Now it's time to create
โอเคต่อไป
path for so get origin point 1. Keep your cursor. Now exit. Select this and find out this origin point and define this diameter 70 millimeter. Now exit. Define sketch circle 3D5. We want to connect first this two one. So how we will do this one? Let me choose this one. Sketch circle. Select this and find out this origin point and define this diameter 70 millimeter. Now exit. Now let's go to sketch 3D sketch. Now select this face and select line. If you go here, you will see a origin point. Exit. Again, choose the line
ใช้ 3D sketch
and then let me select this circle. Not select, just keep your cursor and you'll find a origin point. Okay. Now you will see that arrow direction it goes downward. Exit. Now connect line again and connect these two points. Exit. Now let's define 120 choose your okay. Choose your fillet. First keep stick line again and connect these two points. Exit. Now let's define 112 millimeter, 50 millimeter. Okay. Choose your fillet. First keep 16 radius and select this end. See here preview. Okay. Now keep 80 millimeter and select this end. Okay. Now see we create a 3D sketch, a path for our pipe.
ไม่ได้เส้นลอย
Exit. Go to feature and select swift boss space.
ต้องสวิตช์
Now see here path is selected. Just select profile. So I'll choose this one. Now you can see the preview. Select OK. This pipe is solid. Later we will make it hollow. The same way we will do it for this one. We will utilize sketch 5. So again, let me choose sketch. Select here line and choose this exit. Again, choose a line. Just keep your cursor here and you will see origin point. Just press that key. It should go upward or downward direction. Exit. Now let's connect. Choose smart dimension. Keep the length same 112 millimeter and this one also the same 50 millimeter. And let me define this 80 millimeter this side. Okay. And keep 60 millimeter. Select this corner. Okay. Select OK. Now see the path is created. Exit. Now select this sketch 5 or simply go to feature, select shift to boss base or select shift to 1, go to shift to 1 sketch 5. Sketch 5 is selected and now see the path. Song. That's it. Okay. Is created. Exit. Now select this sketch 5 or simply go to feature, select shift to boss base or select shift to 1, go to shift to 1 sketch 5. See, sketch 5 is selected and select this path. You can see here, select OK. Now see, now this two we will just mirror. So how we will do this one? First of all, we need to create a bed plane. So how we will do this one? Let me choose some 3D sketch. Choose your line. Press tab key and see arrow goes down and go this arrow side. Select both for construction purpose. See it is middle. This middle plane. Select this one and we'll do this keyboard or exo this book even select here okay. See here and in feature select this shift bodies. Shift to 1, shift 2. These two bodies we need to select. Select here okay. Now see. Now once we created our feature plane, select this one and this line. See the plane is going to create a plane here. Okay. Now once we create it, okay. See it is middle. see it is middle and go this arrow side, select both for construction purpose. See, it is middle. It is middle of the flange. Just select this one and press. Okay, it seems it is middle. You can see here, it seems it is in the middle. So exit,
which I use it.
feature, plane. Select this one and this line. See, the plane is going to create a plane here. Okay. Now, once we created our plane, now it's time to mirror this two bikes. So how we will do this one? Just select this mirror, a plane, and choose mirror. See here. And in feature, select this swift bodies.
Same thing, really.
Swift one, swift two. These three bodies we need to select. Select here, okay. Now see, let me hide this. Now this book even hide all the planes, all the lines. Now our exhaust almost ready. Now this here two parts. See, if you select in mirror, you'll find two parts. So how we will combine? Go to insert feature and here you'll find one option combine. Select add. Select this part, second, third. See this all parts going to combine. Select add. Okay. Now this is become a one box. So how we will combine? Go to it. Now our exhaust almost ready. Now even hide all the plates. Now see. Now our exhaust almost ready. Now this here two parts. See, if you select in mirror, you'll find two parts. So how we will combine? Go to insert feature and here you'll find one option combine. Select add. Select this part, second, third. See this all parts going to combine. Select add. Okay. Now this is become a one bond. So how let's choose shell. Now this is become a one bond. So how let's all parts going to combine. Select add. Okay. Now this is become body. Second, third, and one option combine. Select add. Select this part, second, third. You'll find one option combine. Select add. Select this part, second, third. Ready. Now even hide all the planes. All parts going to combine. Select add. Okay. Now this is become a one body. So how let's choose shell command 1 millimeter thickness. Yeah. Use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select OK. Now see it is become a hollow part. If you like to see, just choose Okay, let me see. Select. Okay. I don't know why this section is not coming well. Something happened wrong. But, this is the our model is created, and let's define some more fillets. And here we will make some interesting fillet. 10 millimeter, one, two, and this interesting fillet, 10 millimeter. Let's define some more fillets. It use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select OK. You see coming good. I think something happened. I think something happened wrong, but this is the our model is created, and let's define some more fillets. And here we will make some interesting fillets. 10 millimeter,
Fillet.
1, 2, and this 3. Okay. Again choose fillet. Here actually two edges, so we need to find properly. Now we selected again we selected outer edge, inner edge. Make sure select outer edge. here also outer edge. Okay. This one not came, so let's do one thing. Edit feature, and we will delete this one, two. Okay. Let's do it again one by one because due to two circles, it is difficult to identify here. See, that's it. So you have to now the last one. Let's choose separately. We already see by one because due to two circles, it is difficult to identify here. your polygon, the number of parameters and fine. Select this line, make sure it is horizontal. Select for construction purpose. Select all the lines for construction purpose only. It's and then define the from here to here 150 millimeter. And let me choose this one. Sorry, this one actually 105. Okay, this is the other exact output. Now choose circle. Define one, the same 6 circle and one circle in middle. Now select all outer circles and make relation. Keep your relation inside equal. Okay. Now let's find this one. Outer 30 millimeter.
คือเสร็จแล้ว
again, polished. Now let's define this one, material, nickel. I love to use. Okay, let me choose some chamfer, 45 degree 1 millimeter. Okay, that's it. Let me add edit. Okay, now let's define this one, material, nickel. I love to use this nickel polished. See guys, if you need professional graphics card for this game, Realme. Review if you like to for GTS.
ก็เป็นอันเสร็จแล้วนะครับสำหรับการนำเสนอในส่วนของเอ่อการทำช่อนะครับใน EP ที่5นะครับสัปดาห์ที่5สำหรับวันนี้ลาไปก่อนนะครับแล้วพบกันใหม่ในสัปดาห์หน้าครับผม